This shouldn't be possible. A calm lake, and a stickman who has no idea what's about to happen. Because right here, in the middle of the lake, a tiny 14-inch hole has appeared. Our stickman leans over it, confused. It's small, but something feels wrong. From far away, it looks harmless, just a dot in a peaceful lake. Meanwhile, the oil rig sits quietly on the lake, drilling like it does every day. The crew keeps drilling downward, unaware of what's beneath them, because under the lake is a massive salt mine, a hollow cavern carved out over decades. A giant, empty space sits directly below the water, and suddenly the drill breaks through into that cavern. The miners below panic and run. They know what's coming. The roof of the mine begins to dissolve. Water from the lake rushes downward in a funnel. A deep shaft forms, connecting the lake to the collapsing mine. Up on the surface, the rig workers panic. Everything turns chaotic. A tiny whirlpool appears on the lake. It grows larger and faster. A barge begins sliding toward the whirlpool. The barge is halfway swallowed. Then a house begins sliding toward the vortex. The house is halfway gone. A truck starts sliding toward the whirlpool. The truck is halfway swallowed too. Even a small tree island tips into the spinning water. The oil rig begins collapsing sideways, and then the rig is completely swallowed. People on the shore watch in shock. Water from nearby canals starts flowing backward toward the drained lake. A huge waterfall forms, pouring into the empty basin. Salt water rushes in to fill the void. The whirlpool reaches its maximum size. Debris spins violently around the center. Even the sky looks chaotic. Finally, the lake collapses completely. The aftermath is strangely calm. Survivors stand on the shore staring at the destruction. Their eyes are wide and they can't believe what they saw. The lake is now a saltwater sea. A massive pit remains where the lake once stood. People regroup and talk, trying to understand what happened. Below the surface, the salt mine cavern is flooded and empty. On the lake, nothing remains where the rig once stood. A simple damage map shows how far the destruction spread. The total cost, $45 million. If you want more badly drawn chaos, hit subscribe. And that's how a tiny hole erased an entire lake. Thanks for watching.